Feeling drained, low energy? Let's talk about Boost TRT Gummies and see if they're worth your money. Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Boost TRT Gummies. These are chewable supplement made for men who want more energy, better stamina, and natural support for testosterone levels. No pills, no powders, just gummies. Boost TRT Gummies are supplements that aim to support testosterone, stamina, blood flow, and recovery all in one formula. Male enhancement, price and pros. They're designed to help with physical strength, mental clarity, and overall energy. The gummy format makes them easy to take daily without the hassle of swallowing big pills. The gummies contain ingredients like horny goat wheat for circulations, fenugreek for testosterone support, L-arginine for blood flow, maca root for endurance, ashwagandha for stress relief, plus zinc, magnesium, and B vitamins. These ingredients work together to boost energy, improve blood flow, balance hormones, and help your body recover faster. The formula uses a multi-step approach. First, it improves blood circulation so you feel more energized. Second, it supports natural testosterone levels, which affects your drive and strength. Third, it helps manage stress and fatigue. Finally, it replenishes essential nutrients to keep your metabolism and recovery running smoothly. Pros: natural ingredients, easy to take, supports multiple areas like energy and focus, no synthetic chemicals, and tastes good. Cons: results take time. Most people notice changes after a few weeks of daily use. You need to be consistent, and they work best with exercise and good nutrition. Side effects are generally minimal, although some men may experience mild bloating, dry mouth, or headaches during the first few days. Staying hydrated helps. If you have health conditions, check with your doctor first. Boost TRT Gummies offer a simple, natural way to support energy and testosterone without complicated routines. They're not magic, but with daily use and healthy lifestyle, they could help you feel stronger and more energized. Thanks for watching. Check the link below to learn more. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.